Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. I have the awesome opportunity today to share with you a brand new boat that just came in that is available. This is a 2021 Grady-White 307 Freedom. And folks, let me tell you, this boat is like new. If you can see, it's in beautiful seaport blue color, and you can see the water reflecting off the hull there. So y'all come on aboard. Let's look at the good stuff. Okay everyone, here's Kenny Brown boarding this beautiful 2021 Grady-White 307 Freedom. I wanted to point out this boat is equipped with the optional boarding step here, which is nice when you're at the dock, as you saw me just get on the boat. Look at the enormous amount of room back here, folks, for fishing, for lounging. You know, I had the opportunity a couple of weeks ago to be in a 30-foot Grady-White fishing a tournament offshore, and let me tell you, the owner of that boat, one of our clients, he said, they should name this boat the Wave Tamer because it handles in the water with that CB2 hull like no other boats. But look at the amount of, enormous amount of cockpit space here. You got your rear entry door, you got a boarding ladder in the back. You see it's got the side door as well. Some people call that a tuna door. It does have a ladder that's stored below. So if you're at the island and you want to get on and off the boat through the side door, you can do that. Huge fish box. And like I said, just a couple of weeks ago, we had this full. And interesting, it's important to point out on Grady-Whites, all of your compartments in the boat are all fully insulated. Why is that important? True story. We filled this box up a couple of weeks ago, red snapper, grouper, other fishes. We came back in the next morning to clean them. All the fish were frozen in a 100-degree day. These things will hold ice for 2 to 3 days. Beautiful live well, deep live well. They've got a patent system on the live well. This is phenomenal. I'd love to tell you about that at a later time. You've got a seat right here if you want to lounge out, going in and out. Up and down, plenty of room. This port side seat is very nice because if you're doing an island day or going out to dinner or just hanging out the dock, this is remote, folks, so this will extend out till about right here, so you can really just lounge out. As we move forward here in the cockpit, you'll see you've got a bait prep station here, drainable, sink, plenty of drawers, dedicated trash can, little things like that. More storage over here for prepping bait. Notice over here on the floor, you've got tow rails for when we were bottom fishing, getting them big fish off the bottom. And notice the beautiful sure shade up the top. Andy and I here making this quick video, and we're in the shade and the breeze is blowing and it's hot, but we're good. So let's go look at the helm. Let me show you some things. Okay, here we are up in the helm area of this beautiful 307 Freedom. Look at the size of this port size seating. You can fit 2 adults here. Important to point out that on the Grady-Whites, you always have a place to hold your hand, whether you're standing up. This has an optional footrest right here that actually comes standard. You got your main head unit for your stereo here with another control up there at the helm for the captain. Here's the switch, folks, for that port side lounge I was telling you about that extends back and forth and comes out. That's really nice. As we move over here to the helm, beautiful 2-person captain seat here at the helm. Also, notice how this is remote for people my size. I can move this up and get a little bit closer. That's nice. Tilt steering. Of course, like I said, the Fusion stereo system here. Look at how it's equipped with this beautiful 16-inch Garmin electronics with the matching VHF radio. You got your CL7 display. Most people don't know this, folks, but if you have Garmin installed, look at here. On the CL7 Yamaha display that monitors the engine, I can go up here and I can just go right through here, and I can actually treat this with all kinds of stuff. I can mimic what's on here up here. All your controls are right here at hand's reach, so you don't have to reach down and look down here. It has your trim tab. Most importantly, equipped with the Yamaha Helm Master full maneuverability joystick here, folks. And I don't know if you noticed, but the whole time we've been talking, the motors have been running. Have you heard them? Look at this enormous, oversized fiberglass hardtop with a moonroof. Stick all your life vest in here. Remember I said you always got places to hold for your passengers, okay? You got storage here. This is where I keep all your fishing gear, weights, enormous amount of storage up underneath here. And I want to show you the head here, folks. How awesome is this? Look how beautiful that head is. All the teak accents, enormous head, pump out, overboard discharge. Notice the isinglass, folks, that comes with the boat. So you can fully close this off and get out of the elements if you happen to run into them. Or a cold day, you can take this boat out. It's nice and toasty in here. As we move forward, you can see the enormous amount of room. This has the optional swim platform insert. You can take these cushions out, remove this if you like, for fishing purposes. But folks, oh my gosh, what a beautiful boat. Wanted to point out too that it does come equipped with the electronics, the Garmin closed dome radar. So you've got everything you need. If you want to go fishing 40, 50, 60 miles offshore, with this 10-foot, 7-inch beam, it's such a smooth, soft, stable ride, dry boat. And with 234-gallon fuel tank, you can go anywhere you'd like to go. But folks, I'd love to show you this boat in person. It's a rare opportunity to have something like this come available. So again, my name is Kenny Brown here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.